Samsung is minus 6.25% today, and the reasons behind this move tell a bigger story about where global markets are heading. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is July 9th, and today we are putting the spotlight on Samsung, a global leader in semiconductors and consumer electronics. Samsung is down 6.25% to $277,500 in today's session. Intraday prices ranged between $273,500 and $300,000. The long-term fundamentals for Samsung revolve around memory chip cycle recovery, foundry competition, and smartphone demand. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Samsung prepares to unveil chip earnings insights as AI demand drives record semiconductor profits, crypto briefing. Let us look at the broader sector picture. On the geopolitical front, traders are reacting to news that oil prices opened lower as OPEC boosted production and traffic through the Strait of Hormuz resumed. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, Rumble's Bitcoin buy what's moving markets. Rate expectations remain the single most powerful macro driver for equities and currencies right now. Equity markets are responding to reports that NASDAQ down as chip stocks sell off after Samsung earnings, Yahoo Finance. Looking at how sector peers are positioned. Nvidia surged plus 3.65% to $204.12 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that Nvidia rides blistering chip sales to another record quarter. Blackwell GPU allocation to hyperscalers is tighter than supply, which is a near-term revenue floor. The risk that most investors underestimate is valuation compression. The stock trades at a significant premium to the S&P 500. A miss on data center guidance would be punished severely. Near term, watch for any whisper on Blackwell yield rates. Infosys climbed plus 2.60% to 1,069.30 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that Infosys Q4 earnings surpass estimates. Revenues increase year-over-year, Yahoo Finance. Operating margin trajectory toward the 19 to 21% target is back on track. The risk is North America financial services softness. Any new large deal announcement, particularly in European manufacturing, would be a meaningful catalyst given the diversification it signals. JP Morgan is down minus 2.57%, trading at $330.51. Equity markets are responding to reports that JPM's $50 billion buyback plan and dividend boost, what it means for the stock trading view. The wealth management and asset management businesses are underappreciated earnings contributors that reduce cyclicality. Near term, watch for any commentary on consumer loan quality. Personal loan delinquencies are creeping in some segments. IB fee recovery is the upside catalyst. Here is our analytical view on Samsung from here. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Samsung prepares to unveil chip earnings insights as AI demand drives record semiconductor profits, crypto briefing. HBM3 yield rates for AI training chips are the most critical near-term metric. Any positive update would drive a meaningful earnings upgrade cycle. The memory upcycle is intact, but Samsung's foundry losses are a drag. A recovery in smartphone DRAM pricing would add a second earnings lever. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Thousands of investors rely on our daily briefings to cut through the noise. If you are finding value here, please like this video and subscribe. It directly helps us keep producing this content every day. Leave a comment with your market view. We feature the sharpest takes in future videos. Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is our spotlight on Samsung from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily coverage of the world's biggest stocks.